Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this delicious chicken pie. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. I'm going to be using all-purpose flour. I'll be adding some salt, sugar, baking powder, cinnamon, and I'm going to mix all the dry ingredients together. I'm going to be adding my butter. I'm using room temperature butter. I'm just going to mix everything together until I get a nice crumbling texture. So guys, for this recipe, I'll be listing all the ingredients that I use. Please check in the description box below. You'll see all the exact amounts that I use for this recipe. So now I've gotten a nice crumbling texture. I'm just going to break my eggs. I'll give it a nice whisk. I'm going to be making a well in the middle of the bowl, then I'll pour in my eggs. I'll add the milk. I'm not going to pour all the milk at a time. I'll be using it bit by bit. I'm just going to mix everything together. I'm going to be using my hand to knead the dough properly until I got a nice and soft, smooth dough. You don't need to overwork your dough. If not, you will not get a nice and perfect chicken pie. So now I'm just going to cover my dough and I'll allow it to rest for about 30 minutes. So now I'm going to be using chicken breast for this recipe. I've chopped my chicken breast into a little pieces. I'll set it aside. I'm just going to be dicing all my vegetables. I'm using some carrots, some sweet pepper, potatoes, and some onions. Now I'm just going to use my food processor to blend my meat. In my frying pan, I'm going to be using olive oil for this recipe. Feel free to use any oil of your choice. I'll be adding my diced onions. I'm just going to saute for about 1 minute. I'll add some salt, black pepper, chicken stock, garlic, and some chili pepper. You can skip the chili pepper if you don't like hot food. You guys know I love spicy food and onions. I love onions and pepper so much. So if you don't like, you can just skip it. or I like to cook for about 2 minutes. Now I'll be adding the chicken. I'm just going to cook the chicken for 5 minutes. So as you can see, the chicken is well cooked. I'm going to be adding some potatoes, the diced potatoes and the diced carrots. I'll mix everything together. I'm going to be adding some chicken stock that I have in my fridge to add more taste to the chicken. So I'll cover it. I'll allow it to cook for 2 minutes. Now I'll be adding the chopped sweet pepper. I'll stir everything together, then I'll cover it. I'll just allow it to cook for another 2 minutes. While we're waiting for the thing to cook, I'm just going to mix my flour. In my bowl, I'll be adding 2 tablespoons and I'll mix it with water. I'm just going to use this for the thickener. Not too light and not too thick. So I'm going to pour it inside my filling. Then I will stir everything together. I will leave it to cook for just 1 minute. Then it's done. So now my dough have been resting for about 30 minutes. I'm going to be working on the dough. I'm just going to knead it for just 1 minute because you don't want to over knead your dough. You want to get this perfect chicken pie. So I'm going to divide the dough into 3 parts. Then I'll be working on 1 part. That makes the work so easy for me. I'm just going to be rolling the dough to a square shape. I'm going to be using this square cutter, but if you don't have this cutter, this type, you can use your pizza cutter, you can use your knife, you can just use anything you have at home. So now I'm going to be removing the excess dough around the one that I've cut. I'll set it aside. I'm going to roll everything again later. So now I'll be adding the filling. With my egg wash, I'm going to be rubbing around the corner. That helps the chicken pie to seal properly. So I'm just going to cover it. Make sure you cover it properly. So I'm going to be using my fork to seal it properly. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. My name is Sade feel free to watch the video. And if you like what you see, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And please guys, please subscribe to my channel and remember to set that bell icon to all. In that way you'll never miss any of my upcoming videos. And for my old returnees, thank you so much. I so much appreciate you guys for always coming back to watch my videos. So guys, please give this video a big thumbs up and share my videos. Share it to your loved ones, to everywhere you want to share it to. Just share this video. That is just the only way you guys have to support this. I will be very happy if you guys share my video out. Thank you. I'm going to be placing all my chicken pie in my baking pan. I'll just use the egg wash to rub all the chicken pie. Then I'll be baking this chicken pie in my oven for 180 degrees for 25 minutes. So guys, at this point I'm going to leave you now. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Ciao.